You never see this before. This is pretty cool.
Yep.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Wow. This is a one-of-a-kind box, it looks like.
Built into the truck, yes sir.
Wow.
It's a no-wall. Got four Woofer 9Ks wired to a half ohm, 224 NMMC chemistry in the back. I'll pop that open after you get your demo.
Wow. Those are I don't think I've seen that style port layout. I mean, the vehicle is the box in a way. Wow. Huh. Let me get a shot real quick with this.
Yeah, absolutely.
You never see this before. This is pretty cool.
Yep.
So did you build this, or who worked on this?
So the box was built by Dylan Sasinski.
Okay.
It's at 28 cubes, 7 cubes per, tuned to roughly about 7 cubes per, about 28.
Okay.
28 hertz, 29 hertz is where it peaks.
Wow. And it's not really a sixth order, but it is. I don't know, what do you call it? What's the box called?
I classify it as a no-wall.
A no-wall ported box, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Nice. Is that good on the, I don't want to make sure I don't hit the sub.
Yeah, no, you're good. Appreciate you asking.
Because sometimes the seat can hit.
No, I got you.
Yep. Nice. And what's the electrical light? Battery alternator?
So you have 400 Brand X alts up front charging at roughly 16 volts. You have 224 amp hour NMC chemistry. Okay. Basically, newer version of C-Max.
Yeah. Nice. Those magnets are huge.
Yeah. So 13.5 inches wide. Each sub weighs roughly around 160, 170 pounds.
Wow. It almost looks like, I don't know, man. It's just insane. Like, I don't know I've never seen a box built like this. You built it in the vehicle and all?
Yes, box is built in the vehicle.
You didn't even slide it. Wow.
No jokes. You'd probably be better off just taking the truck than trying to.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay. All right.
I actually have one amp that's out right now. I gotta replace
it is
that.
really crazy, the pressure chamber system you have here. Like, I don't even know like the magnitude of this system. I don't think I've seen something like this. That's what you wanted, something unique.
Wanted something unique.
I remember last time I met you, I think it was 2 years ago, you had two
Super Team 12s.
Teams.
Yep.
And
Team
MK4.
12s. Yep.
Yes, sir.
And
Wow.
so totaled that car, but when I totaled that car, took the motors out and said, you know what? I want to do 421.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's wild. And you don't see very many 21s, but the cone area is king. Oh, yeah. If you ever talk to anybody, cone area is king with that. I'm going to put this up one more time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Take
here. Only
that's this one?
Yeah,
okay. Get a picture of one more. Wow. And what are these subs rated at?
75, 8,000 watts RMS.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. You're probably clamping. How much do you think you're clamping on them? 5K maybe?
I mean,
5,
right
6?
now, I've seen 11 out of those amps.
Really? Wow.
Not in this setup, but
Okay.
I've seen 11 out of those amps.
Yeah.
I've yet to clamp it in this setup.
Got it.
Still some meat left on the bone though.
Yes, sir. Can I see the amps?
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Want me to pull up?
You literally got to pull at the right time.
I mean, the hatch is breaking from everything, yeah. Don't worry about it if you can't get it.
Oh, there it goes.
There you go. Wow. These are a half ohm?
Yep.
Okay. Woo. Have you ever thought about putting something here to maybe block pressure at all, or no?
So then I would feel like it's not. I feel like I wouldn't be able to say no wall.
No wall. That's true. Yeah.
So it's like it's damned if you do, damned if you don't.
Yeah. Are these only outside, or they go inside also?
Those are just outside.
Okay.
Yep.
Wow. So this
12-inch
is a
ports.
12-inch.
Yep.
12-inch ports. 4 of them.
4 12-inch ports. Yes,
Wow.
sir.
But you need the port area. So
Yeah.
have you ever done any kind of messing with and just said, hey, why don't we block one of them, just to see, or no?
So I have not gotten that far in my
Okay,
testing.
got
like,
it.
There's still a lot of testing that
yes, sir.
needs
Wow.
to be done.
Yeah, awesome. Well, nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me. Thank you for showing me a very unique build I've never seen before. How much, do you know the weight on these subs?
160, 170 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so once they're in, they're in.
Yeah. So,
wow.
I can tell you the Super Team 12s were 150 pounds a piece. So.
Yeah, and these are upper style, and they're a bigger cone area.
Different style basket.
Wow. How many cubes did you get out of your box?
28.
Wow.
So it's 7 per.
That's on the small side then. Yeah, but you have the power to compensate it.
So ultimately, like once like tuning and everything, and like once I can like make it way more efficient, then I'll probably look at increasing amp power.
Yeah.
Probably look at it going 12 or 15 Ks.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Because most, not even most, EM audio subs are pretty conservatively rated.
Wow. This is stock right here.
Yep, that is all stock right there. Yes, sir.
loud music coming from just the doors too.
Oh, yeah,
that
yeah.
sounds good, man.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.